Today I'm going to show you how to use templates in CapCut. Today I'm going to show you how to use these templates the right way. On the top left, you'll see your menu. Scroll a little bit over to the right, you'll see templates. Go and click on that. You'll see here that you have tons of different templates, man. There are tons. You can see over here, these are all just the categories of templates. So I've downloaded this one already. I'm going to click on the plus icon. You can see here that it's got everything that you need. I just want to adjust the aspect ratio. So right over here, you can see it says 16:9. We want to say 9:16. This is now what we're looking for. So on the right hand side, you'll have your text. Okay, so once this is clicked on, you'll have your text. So text here, you can change this, you can change that. The audio, you can change the video's volume, the music volume. And then if you click on the 25 clips to be replaced, you will see now that it opens up all of the clips that need to be replaced. So what we're going to do is either click on this replace and it'll open up your storage on your device, or we can perhaps go into media if you've uploaded it already. I'm going to use this over here just as an example, and you can click down and drag it onto that clip. All right, that's now what that looks like. You can actually now start seeing what this... All right, that sounds awesome. Now, once you've done this, you will see it'll tell you that you only have 20 more clips to replace. You have to replace the clips. So if you don't replace the clips, you will not be able to export it because you haven't got the rights to use the stock material that's in there. Now, let's say you want to change the music. Well, the music is in here, and the whole idea of using a template is that you don't really make too many changes. But if you really want to, you can actually just lower the volume over here, okay? And then you can go to audio, you can go to music, look for the music you want, and just add in the music underneath here. So it'll play your music when the clip is playing.